Appeal and all goes off, so it's the finger umpire. Comes on the attack, it's up in the air. It's a monster blow as it gone all the way. Wait for the umpire signal. S6 is the signal by the umpire. It goes again, this time to the onside. We wait for the umpire signal. It went all the way to the boundary. Good shot on the ground.
आगे चले गए, गेंद को उठाकर खेला, जबरदस्त स्ट्रोक और निश्चित गेंद जा रही है वाइडिश, डीप बैट्समैन बाउंड्री के बाहर निकलती गेंद। आगे जाकर मारना चाहते थे, फिर से विकेट कीपर और स्लिप की फील्डर के बीच में से गेंद निकल रही है, बैट्समैन सीमा रेखा पार करती गेंद। आगे चले गए, फ्लैटेड गेंद थी, गेंद को उछाल कर मारा और गेंद के नीचे फील्डर आते हैं। एक अच्छा कैच वहां पर शीतल की ओर से लिया जाता हुआ और ये पटके हुए बाउंसर और एक काफी खूबसूरत शॉट पॉइंट के फील्डर के।
That's a magnificent bowling to the boundary. This will run away to the boundary. No need to run for that. Nicely timed. He goes, comes down the track. Good use of his feet. Straight on the ground. Well bowled. They're going for the run. This could be suicidal run out, and it is. Wicket number 9 goes down. So 20 overs completed, 134 for the loss of 9 wickets. The target for the Santraswadi strikers, 135 in allotted 20 overs.
खूबसूरत स्ट्रोक, गेंद जा रही है डीप फाइन लेग बाउंड्री की दिशा में निकलती गेंद, कोई मौका नहीं गेंद को रोकने के लिए। इस बार अगले गेंद पर बल्ले के बीचों बीच लेकर खूबसूरत अंदाज का और एक धमाकेदार अंदाज का छक्का निकलता हुआ और ये फिर से गेंद को उठा कर मारा है और इस बार फिर से गेंद जा रही है बाउंड्री के बाहर निकलती गेंद।
He goes, it's up in the air. Fielder underneath the ball. Can he take that? You want a catch? What a catch! We do believe it. We do believe it. One-handed catch. And Ibrahim Junaidi is the catcher. Mark of falling inside the boundary row, but he has balanced it nicely. This is a really international stuff from the Ibrahim Junaidi. Good catch. It goes on the outside. Ball running away to the boundary. This is excellent stuff. What a shot. He cuts it nice into the fence for another boundary. He goes big! What a shot! Fielder underneath the ball, but he remained only a spectator. This is even bigger. 6-6 to his name. As goes again on the outside. What a reactor cover fielder right into the boundary. Good shot on the ground. 2 extra cover. What a timing! And a placement has been excuse on the time. Cuts to the outside. Ball running away to the boundary. Will it go along the way? Fielder beyond the ball. And boundary signal by the umpire. Another boundary added to the total. It goes big! What a shot! Up and high end. Just fielder is on the way. Boundary signal by the umpire. Play that one straight on the ground, just over the bowler's head, ball running away to the boundary, will it go all the way? It is 48 balls, so Tamim is on strike. One big shot away. Can we have a century in the first inaugural day? The placed on the outside. That's it. It's 100 for Tamim. In style, what a way to get it. Nicely played that one to the onside. He will get the single. Now they need 2 runs to win this match. 1 for the equal and 1 for the fin. 2 runs away from a famous victory, comprehensive victory, I should have to say. He goes hard, and it's all over. Santraswadi strikers win this match.
आज मिला है सबको मौका, खेल दिखाओ Good evening, everybody, and welcome to KPN Premier League Season 2. And we have match number 2, Ganj Gladiators vs संतराजवाड़ी Strikers. Ganj Gladiators के स्कोर के बाद संतराजवाड़ी Strikers 9 लॉस पर मारी है और मेरे साथ फिलहाल वक्त दे रहे हैं 1 विकेट उन्होंने लूज की. And we have the century maker of the first match, Tamim. Congratulations, Tamim. How are you feeling?
Thank you very much. First of all, Alhamdulillah. Thanks for the grace of God who has given me this opportunity. Last time I was totally flop. This time I have totally focused on my batting and bowling. I have never gone anywhere except my nets.
Absolutely. लेकिन काफी सारे लोगों का सवाल ये आ रहा था कि दोपहर में क्या कहते आप पाया?
कुछ नहीं खाया था फिलहाल, डाइट पे तो.
Absolutely, हसन, आपका सवाल आपने जो पूछना चाह रहे थे तमीम से, क्या एग्जैक्टली सवाल था वो?
नहीं, जो जिस तरह से आप स्टार्टिंग से खेल रहे थे तो आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था कि वेदर यू हैव टू गो एग्रेसिव और मैं टिक के 20 ओवर खेलना है? व्हाट वाज गोइंग थ्रू योर माइंड?
मेरे माइंड में सिर्फ एक ही बात चल रही थी कि मैं सिर्फ पहले 6 ओवर पूरा सर्कल का मैं पूरा एडवांटेज लूँ और वो एडवांटेज मेरे को मिला. अनलकी मेरा एक कैच छोड़ दिया, वो उनको भुगतना पड़ा भी.
अच्छा, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू अबाउट व्हाट द पिच हाउ इट वाज प्लेइंग, बिकॉज सुबह में हम देखे कि बॉल रुक के आ रहा था, तो तेरे हिसाब से जो है क्या पिच का क्या स्टेटस है?
सुबह का पिच अलग था और दोपहर का पिच अलग था. वही हम लोग डिसाइड किए कि पिच देखे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं, कोच और हमारे कैप्टन और यासीन भाई, तो हम लोग पहले ही प्लान करे थे कि वी आर गोइंग टू चेस. हम चेस करना चाहते थे और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम टॉस जीत गए और हम चेस कर गए.
So congratulations Tamim on your brilliant innings and I wish you all the luck for the future season. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The YouTube viewers who are watching us on Khaja Bandar Nawaz House of Sports and Go Hash channel. And the match 2 was played between Ganj Gladiators and Santraswadi Strikers. And Santraswadi Striker had a very miraculous victory. A round of applause. This is a magnificent event which is happening in the city of Gulbarga. It's all because of the 2 major presenters of this entire event, and that is the Mega Speed Broadband Private Limited and Khaja Bandar Nawaz University. So I humbly request the president of Khaja Bandar Nawaz University, the chancellor of Khaja Bandar Nawaz University, and the Sajjada Sahab of Dargah Hazrat Khaja Bandar Nawaz to kindly come to the presentation area. The match 2, which was between Ganj Gladiators versus Santraswadi Strikers, and Santraswadi Strikers won the match by 9 wickets. And now we are giving away, we are appreciating the player with the 6s which are more than 3. So in that way, a player called Tamim Hussaini gets the award for more than 3 6s award. So he gets 500 rupees per 6. So on that basis, rupees 3,500 cash award is given on behalf of KPN House of Sports. And he also gets the man of the match, an award of 2,500 rupees from the KPN House of Sports. Let the claps keep coming because the prizes are plenty. And now, after we give away the trophy, which is boldly written with black ink as man of the match, goes to none other than Tamim Hussaini. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
तमीम, और कहीं जाना नहीं है, बहुत सारे प्राइजेस हैं. मोबाइल हब पीछे तैयार है आपके लिए. He will be giving you 5,000 rupees of cash gift that is from मोबाइल हब, जहां पर आप ऑनलाइन जा सकते हैं, शॉप कर सकते हैं. 5,000 rupees, ये बहुत ही बड़ा प्राइज हमारे एसोसिएट तरफ से है. 5,000 rupees. जैसे कि मैंने आपको पूछा दोपहर में आप क्या खा के आए थे, इतनी जबरदस्त सेंचुरी आपने लगाई, क्या रीजन था इसका?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक्स फॉर अल्लाह who has helped me, and I was little bit nervous from the starting of this tournament because last time I was totally flop. So this time I have concentrated on my batting and my bowling, and I have never gone anywhere. And the diet plan of my friend Munaf, he has helped me really well. And the well-wisher Salim Bhai, who has motivated me really absolutely well, and Irshad Bhai, and my coach and my senior players, everyone have helped me.
Thank you so much, Tamim. Thank you so much. Thank you.
we all get to see an example, because last year he was able to perform, but he was not able to perform at the exact match because of the hamstrings. So this becomes an example for all of us that fitness shouldn't really be the hurdle between the success. So be fit so that you can be successful. Congratulations. Thank you so much, and good luck for the future matches.